Here is the beautiful Susquehanna River. Millersburg, Pennsylvania. The Wiconisco Creek comes in here. It's up at the ferry wall there. You can see on the edge there's a little bit of a wall where they run the Millersburg ferry. And then as it goes out that way. A lot of memories here. Across the river there's Liverpool, another really beautiful town. But it's just stunning being out here. Seeing the mountains in the background there, the sounds, the walking bridge, and then the rail bridge behind that. Canal came through here at some place, but yeah, a little bit of heaven. History is out there, my friends.